As we said in our intro lesson, we can use the subqueries not only in the select statements, but also in the update or delete statements. So let's make a case where we will use an update statement with a correlated subquery. So in my query, where I fetch the data from the employees table on HR schema, we want to update a couple of rows. And we want to update them by the following conditions. We want to update the salary of employees to the average for a particular group, which is by the job ID. So, for example, for the job ID FI account, an average salary is 7,920, and we want to update those salaries. However, we want to update only those records that have a lower salary than the average for that group is. So we want to update only 3 of those records from 5, right? And we can do that with the update statement in the following state. So the standard update, the name of the table. I'm gonna just make an alias E, and we are setting a salary 2, and then we're gonna use our correlated subquery. It's gonna be the same as the one from our select. So I'm fetching the average salary from the employees, where the job ID equals the parents table job ID, right? And not to forget that we want to update only those records that have a lower salary than the average for a particular group. We have to limit our update statement with the where clause. So where salary is less than, and again, we are using the correlated subquery where the salary is lower than the average salary for that particular group. So I'm just gonna pin all results from the select statement. And let's remember just that the average for FI account is 7,920. And let's update those records. We got 52 rows updated, and let's see the state of those records now. So now, if we recall, for the records that are in job ID FI account, we really did update 3 records to the average salary of that particular group. Note that now our select statement returned a new average, which is now higher than previously. So the next time, if we would execute the same update statement, the update statement would update those 3 records to 8,192, as this is the new average. Of course, the update happened also for the rest of the rows by the same conditions. As said, we can also use the correlated subquery in the delete statement, so we can also limit the deleted records by the correlated subquery in its where clause. Very nice. Be sure to check the resources under the lessons and practice this by yourself. This is it for this one, and see you in the next one.